Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make the screw from the assembly we are working on. And this is it. That's how it's going to look at the end. Let's start. We'll have to open a new part. And here we'll make plane white. And now open a sketch in the top plane where we're gonna make a circle. This circle will have the diameter 10 millimeters. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here the length will be 58. Press here OK. And now we'll have to make the thread on this cylinder. For this we'll go to Hole Wizard, click on this arrow, select here thread. Press here OK. And now we'll have to select thread location. We'll select this edge. First select here offset. The offset will be 18 millimeters. 18, make sure that the offset is going this way, because if it goes up, you'll have to select here to go down to change the direction. And now the end condition will keep it blind, and the length for this thread will be 34. And select from here metric tab, and the size will be 14 with the pitch 2. And here, instead of cut thread, we'll select extrude thread. And we'll keep everything else the same. Press OK. Nice. And now let's do something else, which will add a nice touch to it. Select this face, open a sketch. And select this face actually, and convert entities command to convert this face into our sketch. Now go to features, use revolved boss base command, and axis of revolution will select this line. Here let's make it only 180 degrees. Make sure that it goes like that. If not, select here to reverse the direction. Press OK. And now let's do the same thing for this other part. Select this face, open a sketch, convert entities command with this face selected. Now go to features, use revolved boss base, and here we'll select this line. We'll also make it 180 degrees, just in case to not come out on this side. Press OK. And now it's looking a little bit better than with those edges. Alright, and now let's make a hole on this upper side, on the long side of the screw. To do that, let's find, I think we're gonna use this plane, or go to Hole Wizard and use Hole Wizard, select here hole. The drill size and the size will be 3 millimeters in diameter. 3. Here we'll keep it through all. Go to positions, 3D sketch. Let's place it like this. And now let's try to select this point with this point and select here, make a long y-axis. Okay, go to smart dimension and let's give a dimension from this point to this one. And here will be 10 millimeters. Press here OK. And now this is the hole. And now let's apply the material. Right click on material, edit, and we'll go to steel. And I think it will be this one, steel cold rolled. Apply and close. Nice. And this is the screw, which will be used to make the thread for the hole in the block. Thank you. This was the tutorial for today, and I hope to see you in the next one.